Hi friends, have you seen India's roads, bustling with life, but also filled with danger? Every day, accidents, traffic violations, and road crimes increase. Traffic congestion, reckless driving, and insufficient enforcement challenge our safety on the roads. But what if there was a way to revolutionize India's traffic system? A way to improve road safety, generate employment, and create a system that sustains itself. Imagine a specialized team of skilled MotoGP riders, patrolling the roads, equipped with live streaming technology, geotagging, and timestamping to monitor traffic in real time. Their mission: to ensure road safety, deter crime, and create a safer India. These young riders aren't just thrill seekers, they're trained enforcers. Many are vloggers, delivery personnel, or motorbike enthusiasts, bringing their passion for riding to this purpose-driven force. Through cutting-edge technology, they can monitor, record, and report violations as they happen. Immediate challans or fines can be issued for traffic violations, helping to curb dangerous behavior on the roads. And there's a penalty system to back it up. Violators receive challans immediately, and those who don't pay face escalating fines, with potential vehicle impoundment if payments are ignored. This initiative also creates jobs across various roles: riders, data analysts, and support staff, all working towards a safer India. It's an opportunity for young people to contribute to society while earning a fair wage. And it's inclusive. Delivery riders, vloggers, and even part-time enthusiasts can participate, generating extra income or side income while helping to protect their communities, and with his original income source YouTube, Instagram, or social media. With this system in place, traffic accidents can be reduced, road safety will improve, and a visible enforcement presence will discourage crime. The benefits go far beyond just safety. A vigilant motorcyclist, trained in personal safety, can help prevent crimes like ensuring the safety of night shift office workers, and potentially even intervene to stop instances of kidnapping. Their mobility and quick response on a motorcycle can be valuable in tracking and stopping criminal activities, swiftly acting as a deterrent and offering a sense of security to vulnerable individuals. The system doesn't only protect lives, it generates revenue. Fines from violators create a self-sustaining model, funding further development and training for road safety. It's a model designed for longevity and impact. We're calling on government support to drive this change. With the necessary investment and resources, we can reshape the future of India's roadways for millions. These riders won't just be enforcers, they'll be on the ground support, helping those in need and guiding drivers toward safer roads. They'll represent a new era of safety, respect, and responsibility on the road. Let's bring about a change on India's roads. Let's create a safer, disciplined, and economically empowered nation through innovation, dedication, and responsibility. Support us as we embark on this journey to revolutionize traffic management in India. Here's a breakdown of the 11 key benefits of young riders working as a patrolling and support force. 1. Improved traffic system. Enforcing traffic rules and regulations can lead to a more organized and efficient traffic system. 2. Deterrence of reckless driving. The presence of young riders can discourage speeding and other reckless behaviors among motorists. 3. Increased government revenue. Issuing traffic fines can generate significant revenue for the government. 4. Employment opportunities for vloggers. Vloggers can be employed as traffic support personnel, providing a new income stream. 5. Job creation in technology sector. Developing and maintaining the necessary applications and software for this initiative can create new jobs. 6. Additional income for delivery riders. Delivery riders can earn extra income by participating in traffic monitoring and support activities. 7. Enhanced public awareness of traffic rules. Increased visibility of traffic enforcement can raise awareness among the public about road safety rules. 8. Effective enforcement against powerful individuals. Young riders can enforce traffic rules without fear of intimidation, ensuring fairness for all. 9. Timely assistance to roadside emergencies. Young riders can quickly respond to accidents and other emergencies, providing immediate assistance. 10. Cost-effective surveillance. Utilizing the cameras on motorcycles can reduce the government's expenditure on surveillance infrastructure. 11. Enhanced security monitoring. The additional camera footage can improve overall security monitoring and crime prevention. Like and subscribe for more incredible idea to make India best country in the world.